Hello students, the JEE Main 2025 results are finally out. You can download the results from the NTA site. If you forgot your application number or password, don't panic. This video will help you through the steps for JEE password reset and getting your application number. Now, for candidates who forgot the password to check the results, follow these easy steps to reset your password. First, go to the official NTA website. All candidates are advised to use the official NTA website for checking results and to reset password or getting your forgotten application number. Next, go to Candidate Activity section. Then, click on the link which says Registration for JEE Main 2025 Session 2. This will take you to next page, where you go to the section for already existing candidate. Now click Login. When you are in the candidate login page, you have the option to reset your password by clicking on Forgot Password. This will take you to the next page, where you will have 3 options to reset your password. First option is using security question and its answer you choose during form filling. Second option is using a verification code sent via text message, SMS, to your registered mobile number and email ID. Third option is using a reset link sent via email to your registered email address. Now, all you have to do is choose one of these options and reset your password. So now you can go ahead and check your results. Next, for candidates who forgot their application number, here again, just relax and follow these simple steps to get your application number. First, go to the official NTA website. Next, go to Candidate Activity section. Then click on the link which says Registration for the JEE Main 2025 Session 2. This will take you to next page where you go to the section for already existing candidate. And now click Login. When you're in the candidate login page, you can get your application number by clicking on Forgot Application Number. This will take you to another page where you can fill out all the required details and get your application number. So, there you have it. Once you have the application number and password, go ahead and get your results. For this, you can click the link for JEE Main Session 25 result. That's it. Good luck with your results. And check out our channel for more useful videos. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.